Hi everyone. What you're watching right now is our full automatic CNC horizontal tube expander machine. It can finish expanding and flaring hundreds of copper tubes in one single operation, dramatically boosting your production efficiency and product quality. And by the way, the units being produced in this video are for DAIKIN air conditioning products. One cycle multi-tube processing it completes expansion and flaring for hundreds of copper tubes simultaneously in one go, maximizing production speed while ensuring consistent, high-quality results across every single tube. Extended length and customizable capability. The machine can process workpieces up to 3 meters long or even longer. We also offer fully customized solutions tailored to your specific workpiece size requirements. Multi-spec compatibility with quick changeover. It supports production across multiple tube specifications. Switching between different sizes only requires replacing a small number of components, minimizing downtime and boosting overall throughput. Automatic loading and unloading system equipped with automated feeding and part retrieval. The machine delivers pinpoint accurate product positioning and features a user-friendly operation interface that's easy to master. We are a professional manufacturer of equipment for heat exchanger, evaporator and condenser production. If you're looking to upgrade your production line, optimize manufacturing processes, or source high-performance tube processing equipment, feel free to reach out to us. We'll craft the perfect, tailored production solution based on your exact requirements.